In this video, we'll talk about making your workplace organized, a guide. If you're ready to begin making your workplace more organized but aren't sure where to start, here's some valuable advice. How to tackle organizing your desk. The first step to tackling your desk organization is to declutter any visual distractions. Artwork done by your kids, hundreds of photos of your last vacation, motivational sayings, all of these could be halting your productivity and preventing you from focusing at work. Take a look at the items that are on your desk. Do they all belong there? Any files or papers that should be put away in the correct locations should be stored away now. If there are pens lying around on the desktop, check to see if they work, and if they don't, throw them in the trash. Are there old articles, newspapers, or advertising materials lying about? If they're unneeded, recycle them. Look again at any old binders or files to assess the contents. If the information and papers inside are old or won't ever be needed again, get rid of them. Be ruthless. Tackle your hard drive. A virtual mess can have just as negative an impact on your mental well-being and on your productivity as a physical mess. So begin by reorganizing the computer desktop. If documents have been saved there for years or icons are cluttering your whole screen, you'll struggle to identify the ones you need quickly when you need them most. Delete any unwanted files or icons and tidy up the others so you can have a well-organized screen. Tackle your email inboxes too. It's all too easy to allow your emails to get out of control, especially if you receive hundreds every day. However, setting some time aside to sort out your folders and to delete the trash will help to make things manageable again. If you spot any overlooked messages, reply to them and file them neatly in a folder where you know you can find them again. Once your inbox is tidy, it's important to stay on top of the task. Set aside time each day to check emails and handle them appropriately. Make it your aim to have 0 inbox messages before you go to bed. Top tips for work organization. Do you need more tips to successfully organize your workplace? Here are a few pieces of expert advice that will stand you in good stead. Chuck the junk. Have you used an item in the workplace recently? Are you realistically going to use it again? Just as you would at home, create separate piles to be dealt with later. 3 piles should be here: a trash pile, store pile, and to-do pile. Create an effective storage system. As long as it makes sense to you, it will get the job done. Tackle the to-do pile. Make folders for every project or client you're working with. As soon as the project is complete, go through the folder and throw out any unimportant documents inside. Then, store away the folder in an appropriate location. Maintain a clear desk. Once your desk surface is visible, set aside time every week to keep on top of this. The one-touch rule can help with this. Basically, as soon as a piece of paper touches your desk, deal with it straight away. Bin it, take action on it, or file it. This applies to emails and messages too. Use technology in the best way to save yourself time and effort. Keep an online organizer to combine your to-do list, calendar, and address book in one convenient location.